In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Wix events page. Setting up a Wix events page is a fantastic way to keep your audience informed about upcoming events, manage registrations, and handle ticket sales right from your website. Whether you're hosting a workshop, a conference, or any type of gathering, having a well-organized events page can make all the difference. Let's get started. First, you need to access your Wix website editor. This is where you typically manage your website design and content. Once you're in, look for the option to add apps in the menu. Adding apps is crucial because it allows you to enhance the functionality of your site with tools specifically designed by Wix. In the search bar within the app market, type in Wix Events. This search will bring up the Wix Events app, which is what we need to set up our events page. Next, once you've located Wix Events, click on it to explore the app's details. You'll see an option for Wix Events and Tickets in the description. Click on this option as it will integrate the tool into your site. Now you need to add it to your site by selecting the Add to Site button. This step will integrate the events functionality directly onto your website, allowing you to start creating and managing your events. Once Wix Events has been added, navigate to your Wix dashboard. From there, look for the Events section and click on it. This is your control center for all things related to your events. You'll then see an option to create a new event. Go ahead and click on Create Event to start setting up your first event. After clicking on Create Event, you'll be prompted to choose an event type. Whether it's a wedding, a party, or a business meeting, selecting the right category helps you tailor the settings to better fit your needs. Once you've chosen your event type, the next step is to type in the name of the event. Make sure the name is clear and descriptive to attract the right audience. Following that, you'll need to set the date and time for your event. Use the calendar tool to choose the most suitable date and ensure that the timing works best for your attendees. After that, you'll specify the location for the event. This could be a physical venue or a virtual setting, depending on how your event is organized. Now you'll type in some details about the event. This section is crucial as it provides your attendees with all the necessary information about what to expect. Feel free to include details like the agenda, speakers, and any other pertinent information. Finally, after reviewing all the details, click on Create Draft. This will save your event, allowing you to come back, make edits, and finally publish it when it's ready to go live. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should now have a fully functioning Wix Events page ready to showcase your upcoming events. I hope you found this guide helpful and that your event planning process becomes a lot smoother. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this one.